Hello, this is our next assignment. We start with a horizon line with vanishing point and three different rectangulars, one below, one above, and one cradling the vanishing point. The way to make these rectangulars into the cubes, we have to do guidelines from each corner of the rectangular. So let's start the one that is below the horizon line, and I'm going to use colored pencils. I'm doing guidelines from each corner going to the vanishing point. That's the top one. There is the bottom one. So now we have four lines from each corner. This is turquoise, blue, blue again, turquoise again. The first thing you are going to, and you already can see that it's a actually three-dimensional shape. Looks like a cone. Looks like you are going through the front toward the vanishing point. The first thing you're going to do is decide how wide your cube is going to be. And your cube is going to be transparent also. The first line you draw, you parallel the ruler whichever way you want to start. Keep your ruler parallel with the original line, which was line number 1 here. I drew, the distance doesn't matter, totally up to you. The first line. After that, it does matter. The next line we are going to go, you can determine yourself which direction you are going. I decided to go left to right and down and around. The next line I'm going to repeat is the line over here, which goes between blue and turquoise, and it gets smaller when you get toward the back. And we are going to parallel the ruler and draw it from the last line we drew. Parallel, go to your point, and there's your line. Now we have established a sidewall over here. The next line I'm going to draw is the line going from blue to turquoise. And remember, it gets shorter when it goes toward the vanishing point, and you will have to start it where you ended the last one. And I always put a little dot whenever after I draw a line, and I call it my idiot dot. That way I don't get confused, especially when doing bigger things. Okay, line up your ruler, keep it parallel for the original line. Find the dot, draw the line, put the dot in. Now we have one more to do, which is line number 4. Again, parallel your ruler. Remember, the line has to go between the turquoise and the blue. It has to be parallel, and it has to end where we ended our last one. And here we go. Here is our first rectangular.